1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. The relationship between righteousness and prayer. For the eyes of the Lord are on the righteous, and his ears are open to their prayers. But the face of the Lord is against those who do evil. Unfortunately, a lack of education in the scriptures has caused many prayers to be in vain. With the exception of a Christian who has done something wrong and wants restoration of peace with God, God does not hear a sinner's prayer, as 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 12 just showed us. Thus, it is key for us as Christians to live the Christian life in order to keep our prayer line open. Prayer and righteousness are linked. He closes his ears to our requests when we are living in rebellion. However, celebrate and feel at ease when you are in obedience to God's word. This is because he delights to hear from you, and his ears are open to your thoughts and prayers when you address him at all times. The power is in God, and nothing is impossible for him. Don't let sin sever your line of communication and access to ultimate power in the Lord. This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ.